Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Today we're talking about bananas that are not bananas. So green bananas or plantain, basically cooking types of bananas. I've had quite a few emails about how to prepare them and all that. It is so easy, and these things are absolutely delicious. Actually one of my favorite things ever. These are just nicely boiled. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Of course you can fry them as well. Today we're just talking about boiling them, but these are delicious. Get into some of these. Okay, we're going to do some plantains today. Just explain a little bit as we go about them. So the ones that are black, you can get some that are fully black. They're going to be sweeter. These look like they're kind of, if they were bananas, you'd just kind of think they're a bit rubbish now, but these are actually perfect. So you can get them kind of really green at this stage here with a little bit of black on, and then this black a little bit sweeter, and then fully black, quite sweet. What we're going to do is we're going to boil them up. It's really easy. I really love this. It's probably one of my favorite vegetables or fruits. Let's get started. Super easy. What we're going to do is we're going to top and tail them like that, and then we're going to put that into cold water with a little bit of salt and cook it for about 20 minutes. Now you can put it in whole like that, or you can kind of get it into some cuts like that. What will happen is once it boils and cooks, the skin becomes really easy to take off. Okay, so there you go. I've done those. They're in some salt water. I'm going to go to the cooker, bring it to the boil, let it go on a rolling boil for about 20 minutes. Then they're done. So these are boiling really nicely. We're just like 5 minutes away now. So the reason that, well, the difference really between bananas and plantains is sweet and starch. Plantain has got much more starch than sugar. Bananas much more sugar than starch. These are nearly ready. We'll get them out, let them cool down, then we can peel them. Okay, so they're just cooling down a little bit now. As you can see, that's the finished product. There's the skin. So let me just grab one. Just drain it off a little bit. Just needs a little cut down the side there. Then you can just peel it open, and they're done. Now treat these as you would potatoes, I suppose. So you can mash them, you can eat them just like that. I like them just like that. Chuck them in some stews, do whatever you want with them. Salads, anything you like really. Hope that's answered a few questions. I've had a few emails about this, so hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.